Hello, my name is Curtis Edwards.
And I'm Noah Bryant.
I own the company HomeBass Entertainment. We are a touring grade company with sound and lasers, and what we do is a lot of parties and festivals. We also do weddings and any kind of special event that may need quality sound and quality lasers. And today we are here to talk about the Unity system that we bought about 6 to 8 months ago, somewhere in there. It was during COVID, and I saw Justin Perry, he works with Pangolin. I saw his Facebook status about how he was starting this Unity project, and I wanted to get on the ground level of it for our company because there's a lot of potential there. Everybody there has years and years in the industry, and when it comes down the pipeline from such a well-respected company that's considered to be the industry standard, if they're starting a new project and you can get on the ground level of it, you do it.
That's what you do. Yeah.
So we bought the highest wattage available that they had at the time, which was 10 watts, and we have been nothing but thrilled with them. Noah, if you'd like to talk about what you like about them, since you're the one who usually operates them.
Like I said, I'm Noah. I mainly do a lot of the technician work during the laser gigs. Couple things just right away that are my favorite things about these 10 watts is just the way they project. Like, all the time I'm getting people in the crowd who are industry heads coming up to me asking me, are those 20 watts, are those 25, are those 15 watts? And I just smile and say they're actually 10 watts. And just little things like that, the crowd's reaction when you turn them on. One thing I always bring up is how crisp and reactive the scanners are in these things. They're just always, they exceeded, when I first turned them on, I was just like, are you sure they sent us the right lasers? Like, these things are really awesome.
Yeah,
and
they're super durable too.
Yeah.
And to touch on the scanners, the Compact 506 is a really, really, really good scanner. And also the color blending palette, or the color palette, is beautiful. You get rich colors, and some colors that other units can't produce. Like, we almost get kind of an amber in there sometimes, which is awesome. They came tested out of the box at higher wattage than what we purchased, and that's just how Cavant does their manufacturing, because they're made in the same facility. So the customer service and just the years of experience behind the team at Pangolin. Another thing too is it's just the best value in the industry, I think.
I mean, just the box that they sent them in alone.
The
compared
cases,
to other flight cases that we received, it was amazing. Like, the cases were so durable. They had wheels. Sorry, and it's just perfect, weatherproof and everything. Yeah, it doesn't. For the price to performance, you really can't beat it. And that's good, because they're trying to stay super competitive with companies that cut corners and are offering things for cheaper, and there's no corners cut with these. And that's what we're all about. We're all about bringing our clients the best product that we can find, and giving them a great experience and bonding with our clients, which bringing Unity lasers makes it kind of easy when you bring your client a product that they're just completely mind blown with, and when they don't even know much about it, they just already know it's high quality, and that says a lot.
Yeah. So we love them.
We love them. You should buy some.